Our expert teachers prepare you well on fast track for your accounting, economics, business studies, English language, Urdu, Islamiyat, Pakistan studies, physics, chemistry, biology, maths, advanced maths, and psychology exams for OAS and A levels. Salient features of our exam preparation methodology are twice to thrice weekly lectures, comprehensive coverage of course, grand tests and mock exams, extensive practice of past papers, special practice with challenge for getting A+. Feel free to call and discuss in detail. After seeing our YouTube channel, which has more than 100 videos on different subjects of OAS and A levels. Subscribe to Karachians Academy YouTube channel.